So apparently starting college wasn't enough of a plot twist for Vanya because I have just decided to start my own YouTube series. Hi everyone, I'm Tanvi and welcome to Never Have I Ever. This series is going to be so much fun because in this series I'll be doing random things. Sometimes it'll be crazy, sometimes it'll be fun, and sometimes it'll probably be a terrible idea. But I guess that's the entire point of this series because you see, I spend a lot of time seeing a lot of things, thinking that I'll do this, I want to do this, and this is so cool, this is so crazy, and scrolling through random Instagram trends and crafts, but never actually doing them. So, this series is my attempt to getting out of that slump and stopping that overthinking and just being myself and doing whatever the hell I like. So, welcome to episode 1. Never have I ever started my own YouTube series. Honestly, I have no idea where this is going to go, but I guess that's what makes it fun. So, let's see what happens and stay tuned for more episodes. Bye bye.